ready to take you quilt retreat bound is what we're calling
Yes.
it. We have got a piece of wash away stabilizer hoop. If you're not sure, you can lick it. Don't put a hole in the middle of my project. We are going to do the first placement line. So we're going to put our piece of fabric, and I have backed this with Kimberbell fusible backing. This is where we're at. We've got our stabilizer in there.
I can do that.
At this point, you would just go and you're gonna do all of the color changes. We need to add some vinyl and tape it down. And what it's gonna do is on top of it, a little bean stitch. So now we're just gonna take it out of the hoop and cut this. But we want to add
Oh yeah, you need a hole.
in there. You can use your Vario Creative tool. Put it on and
Look at you.
Now you'll know when it comes out of the airport rink or
I know. You'll know, like, hey, that's
part
my
about
bag.